Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous tous allez bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent is an institute that teaches foreign languages for job or immigration purpose. So we provide 2-year job-oriented courses at Language Fluent. For further details, you can contact us or you can simply download the application link which is there in the description box. Alors, aujourd'hui on va apprendre les adjectifs possessive en français. So today we will learn about possessive adjectives in French. We all know that adjectives are the words that replaces a noun in a sentence. But what are possessive adjectives? Possessive adjectives are the words that replaces a noun which shows up a sense of belongingness, a sense of ownership or a sense of possession in a sentence. Now consider an example. Sarah loves black color. All of Sarah's clothes are black in color. Sarah's car is also black in color. In this case, we are using Sarah in each and every sentence. But what can we replace Sarah by? So we can say that Sarah loves black color. All of her clothes are black in color. Her car is also black in color. So here, Sarah, the noun, is replaced by an adjective her. And this her is what we call as possessive adjectives. In English, possessive adjectives only accords with possessor, that is a noun. In the previous example, Sarah is a possessor, so we replace it by her. In French, possessive adjectives accords with possessor, gender, that is masculine or feminine, and number, that is singular or plural. Now, we all know that possessor are the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now, we will look at this table to refer possessive adjectives and how to replace it. So, the first column is masculine singular adjective. So, for this, in je form we have mon. For tu, we have ton. For il, elle, we have son. For nous, we have notre. For vous, we have votre. For il, elle, we have leur. Now, in feminine singular column, for je, we have ma. For tu, we have ta. For il, elle, we have sa. For nous, we have notre. For vous, we have votre. And for il, elle, again we have leur. Now, we will look at a plural column. For je, we have me. For tu, we have te. For il, elle, we have se. For nous, we have no. For vous, we have vo. For il, elle, we have leur. So, what is mo, ma and me? This all means my. To, ta, te means your. Son, sa, se means his or her. Notre, no means our. Votre, vo means your. Leur means their. So you can simply remember this table by mo, ma, me, to, ta, te, son, sa, se, notre, no, votre, vo, leur. If you remember this table, it will be easier for you to understand the possessive adjectives in French. Let's look at the basic rules which we need to know so that we know the placement of possessive adjectives in French. Rules are known as les règles in French. Les règles. So the first rule is, in French, possessive adjective agrees with the thing possessed and not the possessor. So here we will focus on the thing or a person which is possessed and not the possessor. For example, her brother is known as son frère in French. Son frère. Here we have to look at frère. This is the person which is possessed. So frère is a masculine singular form. So we will look at masculine singular column. And her is replaced by son because her is third person singular. So we will look at il, elle column. So it becomes son frère. Now the second rule is the possessive adjective ma, ta, sa changes to mo, to, so if a feminine adjective begins with a vowel or H silent. So here all the ma, ta, sa will be changed to mo, to, so when we have a vowel in singular form. For example, my school. So this will become mon école. Now here we again look at école. École is a feminine singular form and my is replaced by mo. Generally we replace it by ma because it is école is feminine singular form, but we write mo. The reason behind this is E is a vowel, so we write mo. If we write ma, A and E will be clashing. Two vowels will be clashing. So to avoid that clashing, we write mon école. The third rule is the possessive adjective must be repeated before each noun mentioned. In English, we usually say her bag, compass, pouch or anything like that. So we don't use her bag, her compass, her pouch every time. But in French, we have to repeat adjectives that are possessed every time. For example, his uncle, aunt and cousins arrived from Paris. So this will replaced by son oncle, sa tante et ses cousins arrivent de Paris. Here uncle, aunt and cousins, not all are given possessive adjectives, only uncle is given a possessive adjectives. But in French we have to give possessive adjectives to each and every thing or a person possessed. So it becomes son oncle, sa tante and ses cousins. So let's look at few examples so that it becomes easier for us to understand the possessive adjectives in French. First example is il a son stylo, sa gomme et ses livres dans son sac, which means in English it is he has his pen, eraser and books in his bag. Now we see here in English we don't write he has his pen, his eraser, his books. We directly write his pen, eraser and books. But as we know in French we have to write possessive adjectives for each and every possessed noun. So here we write son stylo, sa gomme, ses livres. Now how do we write the placement over here, or how do we know the placement over here? So we look at the thing or person possessed, and the first thing possessed here is stylo. Stylo is a masculine singular noun. So we will look at masculine singular column, and we already know il is a possessor. So we will look at il column. So il and masculine singular becomes son. So it is son stylo. Now the second thing possessed is gomme. Gomme is a feminine singular noun. So we will look at feminine singular column, and we already know il. So third person singular column. So il column and feminine singular column. So it becomes sa gomme. Livre, as we know, is plural. So we'll look at plural column, and again possessor is il. So il column, plural column. So it becomes c'est livre. Second is j'ai mon auto pour le voyage, mais il n'a pas son auto, which means I have my auto for the trip, but he doesn't have his auto. So here we know that thing possessed, first one is auto. Auto is a feminine singular noun. So we will look at feminine singular column. And j'ai means je. Je is a first person singular form. So first person and feminine singular form is mon auto. And the second is again auto. But here we know that it is feminine singular column. But here the possessor is il. So it becomes il column and then feminine singular column. And it is son. So it becomes son auto. The third is Nous passons nos vacances à Paris, which means we are passing our vacations in Paris. Again, here we know vacances is the thing possessed. So vacances is plural as we know. So we will look at plural column, and nous. Nous is a nous column, that is the first person plural column. So nous and plural, it becomes nos vacances. Nos vacances. The fourth one is ils arrivent à leur école avec leurs parents, which means they arrive at their school with their parents. Here, the first thing possessed is école. École is a feminine singular noun. So we will look at feminine singular column, and il. Il is the third person plural form. This ILS, il. So we will look at third person plural form and then feminine singular form. So it is leur. Leur école. And now the last is paro. Paro is possessed, person possessed. And we know this is plural. So we will look at plural column. And here again, il is third person plural. So third person plural and plural column. So it is leur. Leur paro. Now the next one is vous allez à votre classe avec vos amis, which means you go to your class with your friends. The first thing possessed is class. Class is a feminine singular form. So we will look at feminine singular column. And vous, as we know, is a second person plural form. So vous column and feminine singular column is votre. Votre class. Ami, again we know is a plural. So we will look at plural column. And here we have vous already. So vous column and plural column. So it is vos amis. Vos amis. And the last example is il adore sa mère et son père, which means he loves his mother and father. Again, here we don't say his mother and his father. We just say his mother and father. But we have to write possessive adjectives in French for both of them. Mère, as we know, is a feminine singular noun. So we will look at feminine singular column. And il is a third person singular form. So il column and feminine singular column is sa. So it becomes sa mère. And the last is père. Père is a masculine singular noun. So we will look at masculine singular column, and il is already there. So il column and masculine singular column is son. So it becomes son père. Merci beaucoup. The end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Do hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our latest videos. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. For registering for the full courses at Language Fluent, you can simply refer the description box where you can fill the form, or you can contact us. Also, we provide translator and interpreter services at Language Fluent. Alors, hope to see you guys in the next lecture. A bientôt, merci beaucoup, have a nice day.